We took the best features of our digital torque and angle wrench and combined it with the speed and agility of our SLTC FM 2.4 GHz preset click wrench. The result? The TAC digital torque and angle click wrench. Operators get the simplicity and ease of use that they love. Engineers get the speed of a click wrench because it is a click wrench, so meeting production numbers is never a problem. Managers get the accuracy and actionable data that they want for valuable business insights. Even the CFO gets to smile over the rapid-paced ROI. The TAC has been embraced by customers worldwide. Watch for the announcements on the new features we've added to the TAC. Accurate, reliable, durable. Tools you trust. From the engineering minds at Sturtevant, Richmont.